Hello CEO, today is June 13, 2024 and these are the combo cards for today. So go to mine and here's the combo card for today. I already claimed mine but I will show you where to find these cards. So for the first card, IT team, choose PR and team. Scroll down and here it is, the IT team card. And for the second card, product team, you also choose the PR team. Scroll down and here it is, the product team. And for the last card, YouTube gold button, so choose specials and scroll down and there it is, the YouTube gold button. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.